Hello, my name is Ralph Page. I'm the Active Systems Manager for Samtec.
Hi, I'm Alex Nazeri from Credo Semiconductor.
We're at the Samtec booth at the 2018 DesignCon in Santa Clara, California, where we have a number of live demonstrations. This demonstration is of a 56 gigabits per second or 400G PAM4 solution. 8 ports of 50 gigabits per second PAM4 data are sourced from the Credo 50 gigabits per second PAM4 CDRs. The signals route through RF jumpers to a test paddle board made of isolar tachyon laminate material. Next, they pass through a Samtec ExaMAX high-speed backplane connector. This is connected to a prototype ExaMAX backplane cable assembly set up in a 4x10 configuration. The backplane cable connects another backplanes connector on a second test paddle board, also made of isolar tachyon laminate material. The signal path routes through a second set of high-performance RF jumpers back to the Credo CDRs. At the end, we can see some channel output. Just look at the remarkable results we're obtaining. Very good eye height, very low bit error rates, and extremely low crosstalk.
We're using Credo's 400 gigabit per second product to demonstrate such capability. This Credo product supports 8 lanes of CDR, each running at data rates of up to 56 gigabit per second PAM4.
Samtec's backplane cable assemblies break the constraints of a traditional backplane design, resulting in a cost-effective and high-performance answer to the challenges of 50 gigabits per second PAM4 bandwidths. For more information about this demonstration, please contact our Signal Integrity Group, sig@samtec.com. For more information about our ExaMAX cable assemblies, please contact hsbp@samtec.com.